Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Daily Talk English. Oh my goodness, I am so happy you are here today. Like genuinely, truly, from the bottom of my heart, happy.
Yes, she says that every single time, and every single time I believe her. Hi everyone, and together we are Daily Talk English, your favorite place to learn real, simple, everyday English.
And if this is your very first time here, oh, welcome to the family. Seriously, you just made the best decision of your day. Maybe your week. Okay, maybe that is a little too much, but we mean it. We are so glad you found us.
And if you are coming back, look at you. You showed up again. Monday is here and so are you. That means you are serious about learning English, and we are serious about teaching you. So let us get started.
Today's topic is, drumroll please, how to introduce yourself in English, step by step.
Now, okay, I know what some of you might be thinking. We already know how to introduce ourselves. My name is, I'm from, done.
Yes, we hear you. But here's the thing. There's a big difference between a boring introduction and a confident, natural, beautiful introduction. And today, we're going to teach you the second one.
Because, let's be honest, when someone meets you new and they ask you, so, tell me about yourself, what happens?
Silence. Pure silence.
Yeah, exactly. Your brain just goes completely blank. You forget every English word you ever learned. You start sweating. You look at the ceiling. You think, why? Why is this happening to me?
Oh, that is so dramatic, but honestly, not wrong at all. It happens to everyone, even people who have been learning English for years, and that's totally okay. That is exactly why we are here.
So today, we're going to fix that forever. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to say, how to say it, and you will feel confident doing it. Sound good?
Perfect. Let us start with step 1. And step 1 is say your name clearly.
Yes, this sounds so simple, right? But you'll be surprised how many people mumble their name. They go, hi, my name is, and you just can't hear it properly.
So the correct way is to say your name slowly and clearly, like this. Hi, my name is Sarah. Or you can also say, hi, I'm Sarah. Both are perfectly correct. Both sound natural.
And here's a little tip. After you say your name, smile. Yes, just smile. It makes such a big difference. People feel comfortable. They feel happy to meet you, and it makes your English sound even better. Trust me on this one.
Absolutely. A smile is free, and it is powerful. So remember, say your name clearly and smile.
Now, step 2, tell people where you are from.
This is another very simple but very important part of any introduction. And the sentence is easy. You just say, I'm from, and then your city or country. For example, I'm from Lahore, or I'm from Pakistan. Simple, right?
Yes, and if you want to sound a little more detailed, you can say, I'm from Lahore, Pakistan. It sounds more complete, more confident.
And here's something fun you can add. If someone doesn't know your city, you can say, I'm from Lahore. It's a beautiful city in Pakistan. Boom! Instant conversation starter.
Ooh, I love that. You're not just answering the question, you're opening a door for more conversation. That's so smart.
Little things make a big difference. Always. Okay, step 3. Tell people what you do.
Now this is where it gets interesting, because in English, when someone asks, what do you do, they're asking about your job or your studies, not like, what do you do for fun? That's a different question entirely.
Yes, very different. So if you're a student, you can say, I'm a student. Or even better, I'm currently studying English. Or I'm studying at university. Simple and clear.
And if you're working, you can say, I work as a teacher, or I'm a doctor, or I run my own small business. All of these sound great. All of these sound natural.
And if you're not working or studying right now, that's also completely fine. You can say, I'm currently looking for work, or I'm taking a break and focusing on learning English. That's a wonderful answer, honestly.
Absolutely. There's no wrong answer here. Just be honest, be simple, and be clear. That's all.
Okay, now step 4, and this one is my personal favorite. Tell people something you enjoy or love.
Oh yes, this is where your personality comes out. This is where you stop sounding like a robot and start sounding like a real human being.
Exactly. So you can say something like, I love watching movies, or I enjoy cooking, or in my free time, I like to read books. These small details make you memorable. People remember you. They connect with you.
And here's the magic of this step. When you share something you enjoy, other people respond. They say, oh, me too. Or, really? What kind of movies? And suddenly you are having a real conversation in English, just like that.
And that is the whole goal, right? Not just to introduce yourself and stop, but to start a real, natural, flowing conversation. And this step does exactly that.
Beautiful. Okay, so let us do a quick recap before we move to part 2. Ready?
Ready.
Step 1, say your name clearly.
Step 2, tell people where you're from.
Step 3, tell people what you do.
Step 4, share something you enjoy.
4 simple steps. That's it. No complicated grammar, no difficult words. Just 4 simple, natural steps.
And in part 2, we are going to put all of this together into one beautiful, complete, confident introduction. Plus, we have some extra tips that are going to take your introduction from good to amazing.
So do not go anywhere. Part 2 is coming right up. And trust me, it is going to be so good.
Not wrong at all. Stay with us. We'll be right back. And we are back. Welcome to part 2 of how to introduce yourself in English. If you just joined us, please go back and watch part 1 first. Trust us, it will all make so much more sense.
Yes, please. Part 1 has the first 4 steps, and they are the foundation of everything we are doing here in part 2. So go watch it, come back, and let us continue.
Okay, so in part 1, we learned 4 steps. Name, where you're from, what you do, and something you enjoy. Now, in part 2, we are going to do step 5. And step 5 is put it all together.
Yes, this is the most exciting part, because now we are going to make one complete, natural, confident introduction using everything we learned.
So let me give you a full example. Listen carefully. Hi, my name is Sarah. I am from Karachi, Pakistan. I am currently working as a graphic designer, and in my free time, I love playing badminton and watching cooking videos on YouTube. It is really nice to meet you.
Did you all hear that? That was clean. That was confident. That was natural. No hesitation, no awkward pauses, just a smooth, beautiful introduction. Haha.
And now listen to this example. Hi, my name is Ali. I am originally from Lahore, but I currently live in Islamabad. I am a language teacher, and I absolutely love helping people speak English with confidence. In my free time, I enjoy cooking, reading, and going for long walks. So lovely to meet you.
Wow, see that? That was even better. One extra detail was added. Originally from Lahore, but currently living in Islamabad. That small addition makes the introduction sound so much more interesting and complete.
Little details make a big difference. Always remember that.
So now it is your turn. Yes, you. Pause this video right now. Take out a pen and paper or open your notes app and write your own introduction using these 5 steps. Name, where you are from, what you do, something you enjoy, and put it all together.
And once you write it, say it out loud. Yes, out loud. Even if you are alone in your room, even if you feel a little shy, say it. Because the more you say it, the more natural it becomes, the more confident you feel. That is how it works.
Practice is everything. We cannot say that enough. You can watch 100 videos, but if you do not practice speaking out loud, it will not stick. So please, do the exercise.
And share your introduction in the comments below. We read every single comment, and we would love to read your introduction. It will make us so happy.
Okay, now let us move to some extra tips, because we promised you amazing, and we always deliver.
Yes, we do. Extra tip number 1. Use connecting words.
Connecting words are small words that make your speech flow smoothly. Words like and, also, plus, as well as, and on top of that. These tiny words make a huge difference.
For example, instead of saying, I am a student, I like football, I enjoy music, which sounds very robotic, you can say, I am a student and I also enjoy football and music. See how that flows so much better?
Much better, much more natural. Connecting words are your best friend in English. Use them always.
Extra tip number 2. Make eye contact. Or, in a video call, look at the camera.
This is so important. When you are speaking English, especially when you are nervous, you tend to look down or look away. But looking at the person you are talking to, it shows confidence, it shows respect, and it actually helps you speak better.
Because when you look away, your brain wanders. You start thinking in your native language. You lose your train of thought. But when you maintain eye contact, you stay focused. You stay in the English zone.
Haha, the English zone. I love that. Stay in the English zone, everyone.
Extra tip number 3. End your introduction with a question.
Oh, this is such a good tip. This is the secret move that most people do not know about.
Yes. So after you finish your introduction, instead of just stopping and waiting awkwardly, you end with a simple question like, and what about you? Or, how about yourself? Or, what brings you here today?
This does 2 things. First, it shows that you are interested in the other person, which is always a good thing. And second, it keeps the conversation going. You do not have to think of what to say next because now it's their turn to talk. Genius, right?
Pure genius. And it is so simple. Just add one small question at the end, and suddenly you sound like a very confident, very experienced English speaker.
Extra tip number 4. Do not worry about being perfect.
This is maybe the most important tip of the whole video, and we want every single person watching this right now to really hear this. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be understood.
Say that again, louder for the people in the back.
You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be understood. That's it. That is the whole goal of communication.
So many beginners stop themselves from speaking because they are afraid of making mistakes. They are afraid of saying the wrong word or using the wrong tense. But here's the truth. Native English speakers make mistakes too, every single day. And nobody cares because communication is about connection, not perfection.
Beautifully said, honestly. And this is exactly why Daily Talk English exists. We're not here to make you a grammar robot. We're here to help you communicate, to help you connect, to help you speak English in your real daily life, with confidence, with joy, with a smile.
And that is exactly what we do here every single week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 5 videos every week because we know you are serious about your English, and we are serious about helping you.
So if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now. Press the bell icon so you never miss a single video. Because trust me, you do not want to miss what's coming this week.
Oh, it is so good. We have some amazing topics lined up, and I am so excited to share them with you all.
Same. So excited. Okay, let's do one final complete introduction together as a practice example. One last time. Listen carefully, everyone.
All right, here we go. Hey, my name is Daniel.
I'm from Karachi, Pakistan. I currently work as a graphic designer, and I really enjoy my work. Outside of work, I love playing cricket on weekends, watching technology videos, and trying different street foods. So great to meet you. How about yourself?
Woo! Amazing! And now me. Hi there. My name is Sarah. I'm originally from Lahore, and I currently live in Islamabad. I work as an English language teacher, and I truly love what I do. In my free time, I enjoy cooking new recipes, reading books, and going on long evening walks. It's so wonderful to meet you. And what about you? Tell me a little about yourself.
Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Did you see how both introductions ended with a question? And how natural and warm and confident they sounded? That's what we want from all of you.
And you can do it too. We know you can. All you need is practice, and we're here every single day this week to help you practice. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Daily Talk English never stops because your learning never stops.
Before we go, your homework for today. Write your introduction, 5 steps. Say it out loud 3 times and post it in the comments. We genuinely want to read it. We want to celebrate you.
And if you have any questions, any at all, drop them in the comments. We reply, we care, and we are always here for you.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are amazing. You are capable, and your English is getting better every single day. Even if you can't feel it right now, trust the process. It is working.
We'll see you tomorrow, Tuesday, same place, new lesson, new energy, new English.
Until then, keep smiling, keep practicing, and keep talking. Take care, everyone. Bye.
Bye for now. See you tomorrow.